Z. I am saying Z. Americans will say Z, but I will say Z. Okay, so this one I want to prove. Now here we have 3 statements, so the table will be somewhat long. I mean, we have to consider, I mean, you see, each one of them can take 2 truth values. So that means there will be 8 possibilities. So we have to make room for those. So we write a little more carefully. 8 rows, right? And also at the same time there are many columns. X or, okay, let me go from simple to complex. Y and Z. Although we need not show all the columns, with practice we can reduce the number of columns, but since this is the first time, I want to show everything. Shall I have room for everything? That's the thing. This one, and the last one. One of them I will not be able to write. I don't have that much space. But we can make sense of what's going on. X or Z. Okay. Now let me draw the lines first. It's a huge table. So this is the column for X, Y, Z or Z, Y and Z, X or Y and Z, X or Y, X or Z, and finally this one. Now we need 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let us first of all write the possibilities. X can be true. Under that condition, Y can be true, and under that condition, Z can be true or false. So if X is true and Y is true, then Z can be true or false. If X is true and Y is false, under that condition, Z can be true or false. And if X is false and Y is true, under that condition Z can be true or false. If both X and Y are false, have I captured all the things? T, F, F, T, F, T, yeah. Then under that condition Z can be true or false. So these are 8 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, in this situation, you can see already the things have become so complex, but we have to carefully move ahead. So now, we want to first of all discern what is going to happen to Y and Z. Y and Z is true if both Y and Z are true. That's why it is called AND or conjunction. So you look at Y and Z. It is true only when both are true. So here both are true. So this is true. here in these two, one of them is false, so it is false, false. Here both of them are false, so false. So again here we have truth, falsity, falsity, falsity. Okay. Now, having determined the status of y and z in these situations, we now move on to x or y and z. Now we treat this itself as a statement, and we have the truth values in different situations. So, but we have disjunction here now. Instead of conjunction, we have disjunction, and a disjunction is true if either one of the statements is true or both are true, and is false when both the statements are false. So now we are looking